Download the app now.
Hi guys, welcome back. I think you're all ready for the questions. Are you all ready? Are you all ready for the questions? So, in this session, I'm here with synchronous machines questions. Okay, basic questions on synchronous machines. Mostly the questions are a little tricky. Okay, you may not have seen those questions, at least for the first 5 questions. You may not have seen those questions. Nothing to worry. Give it a try. Okay, you're aware of the terms, but it's tough for you to answer those questions. And these questions are previously asked questions in different exams, different state government exams. These questions are asked. Okay, so without any further ado, let's begin. And today, the most responded people, out of all the most responses, will take a winner, and that winner will be getting a discount coupon. Okay, so today's discount is 50% only for 3 people. I'll give. Okay, 3 people I'll give discount. That's based on the selection. The selection will be based on your response. Okay, so if you're responding nicely, out of all your responses, we'll randomly pick 3 people, and those 3 people will be getting 50% flat 50% discount. Are you all ready? Yeah, if you're ready, give it in the chat. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Ready? Okay, let's begin the show. Okay, I'm starting with the first question. The first question is on the screen. Try to respond. Most responses, if you're responding, then only you'll get a chance to play in that winning wheel. Okay, so then you will have a chance to win. Okay, so first of all, you need to respond in the chat, then you'll get a chance to win. If 1 or 2 responses won't be enough, okay, to be in the wheel, you have to at least respond for 20 times. Okay, so keep responding aggressively. It's okay if it is wrong also. Here, for you to stay in the wheel, responses matters, whether it is right or wrong, that's second. Okay. Okay. So A, C are the options. Okay. Okay. So now, what is this? What is this uh, process of removing? Means what is actually doing? This is process of removing the unwanted magnetism. This is, we opted for C, diamagnetization. No, it is degaussing. Degaussing, normally this is done to remove the unwanted magnetism, maybe inside, maybe you call it as a TV or anywhere. So to remove that, that process is called as degaussing effect. Okay, so this is degaussing. I think it's clear. These are, I told you, right? The first 5 questions are mostly related to the magnetic circuits. Okay. Anyways, I'm moving to the next question. Then we'll move to the actual synchronous as well. Okay. Next one. So you need to really pump up your responses. More you respond, you'll get a chance to win 50% discount. Okay. Chandu is informed. You need to really shake the chat. Okay. Then you'll have better chances. Is this what shaking a chat? No, I didn't see any shake in the chat. Wow. Sai Ganesh have given a beautiful explanation also to this. Ha, now I can see some shake. Okay. That's it. Namaste, namaste, namaste. Okay. Yeah. Now coming to this. Alnico, aluminum, nickel, cobalt, alloy. This combination, alloy, that's what we call alloy, is combination of aluminum, nickel, cobalt, is mainly used to make permanent magnets. Okay. This question is asked in Karnataka Transmission Corporation Limited. Okay. So I'm moving to the next question. So you're going to learn something new in this. Yeah. Next one on the screen. No worries. Try. Only one thing you need to keep in your mind. You need to shake what? You need to shake the chat. You need to shake the chat. Then you'll get a chance to win 50%. Pawan option. What's your option, dear Pawan? I didn't see it. It's normal. You're not crazy. I thought it's gonna be really crazy. I'm asking you to shake the chat even. But I don't see any response. You guys are, I think, dull, huh? 3 more seconds. Bang. Time's up. So the magnetic permeability of diamagnetic is the magnetic permeability of diamagnetic is for the vacuum. In case of vacuum, the magnetic permeability mu r, I mean, that's what relative permeability. Okay, which is 1. Okay, it is 1 Henry per meter. Mostly opted for C, You're absolutely right. So it is 1 Henry per meter for vacuum. For a diamagnetic material, it is slightly less than that. Okay, slightly less than the vacuum, slightly less than 1, so which is slightly less than a vacuum. Okay, so most of your right. Okay, let's go to the next question. Cuckoo. Guy is saying hoo hoo. Okay, cool. I think you're having fun. Yeah, we'll see those. We'll talk about other questions also, like ferro and all. There is a next question also based on that. That depends. Diamagnetic, first of all, you have to know what is diamagnetic, what is paramagnetic, what is ferromagnetic. Okay. So for dia, you can pretty much easily say for para and ferro, that depends on material. We'll see in the next question. See, but I really like Lokesh approach. This is how we should think. Your approach of thinking should be like this. That's really appreciated. Thinking is appreciated. We'll see anyways the answer in the next. $15 more seconds. You shake the chat, then you'll get a chance to win 50% discount. Okay. Flat 50%. Okay. Okay. So mostly opted option is A. Let us see. Ability of materials to become polarized under an applied electric field. It's talking about electric fields. Okay, so it is para-electricity. There is no word called electricity. Okay, so there are two words, ferroelectricity and para-electricity. Okay, so it is about para-electricity. Okay, mostly opted for option A. That's good. Yep, shall I move? People opted for C. There is no such word existing. Okay, but you opted for C. That's not actually right. Now, the next one. Next question. Chat should continuously roll. It should not stop. Okay, that's what shaking a chat means. So you got 20 more seconds. Mostly people opted for A. Okay. So you guys are actually anyways, time's up. Let me explain. Hysteresis is commonly found in, yes, you already know, in magnetic materials. Hysteresis, you already know that. Hysteresis means basically this kind of response is like this, like this, like this, like this. This is hysteresis. Okay, between B and H. This is what we quite common see, because in machines we'll see this pH curve or magnetic thing. Electrically, if we don't see, it doesn't mean that it does not exist. It does exist in electric fields also. In case of electric fields, this is E, and this is what the polarization. Okay, so when you're changing the electric field, the polarization will change in this fashion. That's what also hysteresis. Okay, so it is seen in ferromagnetics as well as ferroelectric materials. So answer is B. Okay, this is also a question from Karnataka transmission. Okay, yes, it's not only magnetism, it is also for polarization effect. Okay, it is also for polarization effect. Even though you reduce the electric field to 0, still it will leave some polarization effect. Okay, that's what this means. I think we're clear. Shall I move to the next? Shall I move to the next? Respond in the chat. In the chat. In the chat. In the chat. Back. This is distribution company question from Andhra Pradesh. Chat has stopped. It should roll. Rock and roll. It's not rolling. This is pretty easy question. I think only for reading a question, you should take some time. Otherwise, maybe 20 seconds. In 20 seconds, you should be able to answer this. We got less responses, but everybody responded for option A. Okay. Others now try your luck. Try your luck because you're not unable to figure it out. I'll explain anyways. Try your luck. Give it some fluke answer, some random answer. But respond. Okay. That's good. That's good at least. Okay. Now let's see what is right. What is right? 4 conductors in stationary armature. This is armature. 4 conductors are placed. Are shown in 1, 1 prime, 2, 2 prime. This is 2 prime. For given direction of rotation of the rotor, this is a rotor which is rotating in this direction. In this direction. The direction of induced EMF at any instant, at the instant shown, not any instant, at the instant shown, at this instant, what is the direction of induced EMF? Now I told you in the DC machines case also, what I said. What I said was, if conductor is near to the pole face, if the conductor is near to the pole face is this, conductor is near to the pole face, then EMF induced in that conductor is how much? Maximum or minimum? I want everybody to respond to this. Conductor will be maximum or minimum? Yes. Yes. Respond everybody. It will be maximum or minimum? I want everybody's response. You can see your responses on the screen. It should fill. It should fill. Okay, they're rolling slowly. It should fill to the top. Okay. That's good. It should fill. I want to see some, it should be filled. It should top me. Okay, it should cross my height at least. Your responses. Good. Good to see that. Very good to see that. Still half the way. There is something more left. Come on, what you guys are doing? I'm asking you to, this should be filled, but it is half through even. Huh? Now it's coming close to my height at least. You don't have to apply right hand rule, all these things to solve this question. Wow, that's amazing now. It's full. It's full. It's full. That's a great response. That's a really great response. Okay. Anyways, let's now move to our job. What's that? Oops. Okay. It's about the answer. See, in just 10 seconds, without applying right hand thumb rule or Fleming's left hand rule, right hand rule, without using any of these, we're able to solve this. Let's see how to handle this. When the conductor is near to the pole face, EMF induced is maximum. So here EMF induced is maximum. Here EMF induced is maximum. These two conductors EMF induced is maximum, and this conductor is right angled to this. It is right angle to this, electrically 90 degrees. So in this EMF induced is 0. In this EMF induced is 0. Now out of all the given options, these two conductors having 0 induced EMF means no current direction. So this is the only option out of all these options. This is the only option which is matching. So this is answer. You didn't apply right hand thumb rule. You didn't apply anything. Simply by your common sense, you marked the option as A. You backed by looking at a question. It might be a little scary, but once you dive in, once you know the concepts, it is easy. Okay, it is easy. I think you got it. Any queries on this? Any queries on this? We shall move to the next. Good. Back. This is easy. This is easy. Come on. Easy. Shake the chat. Shake it. Shake it. For easy questions also, you're not shaking. It should cry. The chat box should cry to scroll. Okay. I will announce one winner after this question. After this question, I'll announce one winner. So get ready. Get ready for the first winner. Get ready for the first winner. Winner gets flat 50% discount coupon. Okay. Lucky winner. Are you the lucky winner? Time's up. Time's up. Let's see. Let's see. Mostly people opt for A and B. Okay, this is, come on guys, this is an easy question and most popularly asked question even in interviews also. Okay, even in interviews also they will ask this question. The phase of three-phase alternator, the phase of three-phase alternator will reverse, which means it is phase sequence. It is phase sequence. This is one of the Transco question. Okay, from Andhra Pradesh Transco question. Phase sequence of the alternator can be reversed. Remember, only the direction of rotation. What does it will? What will change the direction? Or change the phase sequence? It is the direction of rotation of the rotor. Okay, the direction of rotation of the rotor will only reverse. The field current is reversed? No. See, field current is reversed means how can you opt for this? This is North Pole, this is South Pole. If I reverse the field current, this will be South Pole, this will be North Pole. So how does it matter in this rotation process? Anyways, North Pole and South Pole keep exchanging each other. Okay, so that's not a point. Here the point is in which direction they're rotating. They're rotating in this direction. Phase sequence will be maybe RYB. If they rotate in opposite direction, the phase sequence is RBY, reverse of phase sequence. So this is wrong. The field current remains the same, but the direction of rotation is reversed. Absolutely, this is right. This is right, and only this is right. Okay. A number of poles, no, this is wrong, this is wrong, these are wrong, only B is right. I hope you got the point. Now, the time for the winner. Now the time for the winner. So, we'll shortly, I think we see very less response. That's why only few people have got a chance to play in the winner wheel. I think 3 and only 7 people out of, we have 30 plus people in the online. online right now, but only 7 people have got a chance to play in this wheel. Why you guys got a chance? Because you really shake the chat. Others are just, they're not qualified enough to even enter into the game. Now let's check who is a winner. Yes. Yes. Okay. So the winner is bang. Winner is Hussein. Hussein is a winner. Now, how to climb it? How to climb it? How to climb this? I'll tell you how to climb this. First of all, I'll ask you your details at the last, not right now. Okay, you'll have to stay till last of this video. Then I'll ask your number, then I'll take your number, then you'll get a chance. If you just disappear right now, you're gone. You're off for 50% discount what you got. You lost, you lose that. Okay, you have to stay till the last. Congrats to Hussein. Okay, so yeah, let's move to the next question. On the screen, Hussein has really shake the chat. He got a chance. We have some issue, I think. We'll fix it up shortly. Okay, we'll be back shortly.
Download the app now.
Yes. Okay, guys, we're back. We are back. We had a slight glitch. I think now everything is clear. Okay. Yeah. So I think everybody answered D. That's a good sign. I don't know whether it is right or wrong, but yeah, everybody answered for D, so it must be right. Okay. So let's see. Armature reaction in an alternator mainly affects, and really this must be a blast for all of you because you really opted for a correct one. Normally people will think it will affect the terminal voltage per phase. Normally this is what one would think. Okay, this is one of the ISRO questions. So one would normally think option B is right, but option D is right. Armature reaction will affect the generated voltage itself. That's what the main thing. Obviously, that will in turn will reduce the terminal voltage. That's true. But main cause will be affected, will affect the generated voltage, because the net flux itself will hamper. Because of the armature reaction, net flux will itself hamper. If net flux hampers, then obviously generated voltage hampers. Then in turn, terminal voltage hampers. That's true. Okay. Uh, wow, we have somebody from Bangladesh. Okay, good. We got a foreigner and you won it, man. Come on, next one. Next question. But you guys who are here, you're not really shaking the chat, huh? I think Bangladeshi, Bengali, right? Kemon acho? Kemon acho dada? Oshen. Kemon acho balo ache? Yeah. Now it's your turn to shake the chat. Okay, do it. Do it and win the prize. The prize is really good, huh? 50% is really good amount for you to win. 50% discount. 5 people, not just for one. Only one person is there who is a winner. 4 more people left. You could be the next one. So, yes, your time's up. So, mostly people opted for option A, then B, then C. Okay, great. Now, let's see this. A three-phase alternator, if there is a magnetizing armature reaction only. So you have only magnetizing armature reaction, no demagnetization, no cross magnetization, only magnetization. Okay, this is Telangana's state SPDCL question. Okay, Telangana's SPDCL question, Discom company. Now, definitely, can it be resistance? It cannot be resistance. Now, careful whenever you see this armature reaction question, you have to be careful whether it is a motor or a generator. It is a generator, I mean alternator. Okay, it's a three-phase alternator. So resistance cannot be the answer. So this is wrong. This is wrong. So definitely, out of these two, one is right. Now the choice is whether it is a capacitive or inductive. Now whether it is a capacitive or inductive. So yeah, to check that, magnetization in case of alternator, this is field MMF, this is corresponding induced EMF. Now to have a magnetization effect, IA must be in this direction, so that FA will be in this direction, means it should be leading. The load must be leading, means purely capacitive load. Purely capacitive load is answer. Okay, I hope you got it. I hope you got it. Now, before we go to the winner, I'm giving another chance to see your responses. Are you clear or not? Again, this should fill it up. Are you clear with this simple concept? Yes or no? That's it. You really need to shake it. Huh? Come on. Yes. SSR, some SSR dropping. It's dropping. It should drop even more faster. You're typing faster, they will drop faster. Are you clear or not? Because I will roll the wheel now. Before I roll the wheel, let's see how is energy. I'm just giving a chance to get into the wheel. Okay, I'm giving a chance to get into the wheel. You respond now, you'll get a chance to stay in the wheel. Great. Now I think all of you got a chance to play in the wheel. Now let's roll the wheel. Good, great. Let's have a blast for this response. ठीक আছে. Now it's wheel time. I'm rolling the wheel. Okay, you're up, you're up. I'm rolling the wheel now. Second winner now. I'm also eagerly waiting on this time. Sai Ganesh is a winner, second winner. Okay, Sai Ganesh is a second winner. I'm just taking a note of it. Okay, Sai Ganesh. See Sai Ganesh. I think same rule applies for you also, dear. You need to stay. You need to stay till the end so that I'll take your details. Then I'll share you how to get the 50% discount. Congrats for Sai Ganesh. Now let's go for the next question. Next question is on the screen now. So Anvesh is saying with respect to motor, okay, we'll talk about that. Yeah, three more winners. You shake the chat, you will get a high chances of winning. Okay. So mostly people opted for C. Okay. I think you're heading in a wrong way. Let's check it out. Your time's up. Mostly people opted for C. Sadly, that's not right. Okay, that's not right. I don't know what made you to choose C. Let me explain. What's the reason? Can somebody explain how come you said it's root 2 into phi m? And we got a beautiful video, animated video on RMF concept, rotating magnetic field concept. Just watch that. You will see in two phase how rotating magnetic field will happen, in three phase how rotating magnetic field will happen. You will get to know that. Okay. Even we conducted an experiment also, beautiful experiment. I with my own hands, I manufactured one rotor. Yes, a rotor itself is made by me, and we kept it in there and it was rotating amazingly. Okay, it's there in the course. I think in the course you will get to see all these experiments and animations. You know, it will be mind-blowing. The phi m is a peak value of the flux. Then the magnitudes of the rotating magnetic field for the two-phase supply and the three-phase supply. It is simply phi m into 1 by 2 into phi m, where this here you will get number of phases. This is n, number of phases. Number of phases by 2 into phi m is the magnitude. Magnitude of the RMF is this formula, where n is number of phases. The speed. Now again it's your turn. Now again it's your turn, guys. I want you to again respond in the chat. I want you to respond in the chat. In the chat. Oops. I'll ask a question. Not now. I'll ask a question. I want you to respond in the chat. I want you to respond in the chat for what is the speed ns formula. Ns is equal to. What's the formula for ns? Next question will be based on that. What's the formula for ns? ns formula. Oh my god. Everybody is saying a. ns formula bolo bhai. Ha. ns formula. Don't give the answers now. Give the ns formula. That's going to be interesting. I'll draw some interesting conclusion with ns formula. I will draw one interesting conclusion with ns formula. Okay, great. So Not 130, it is 120 F by P. The conclusion is the synchronous speed for any phase system, 2 phase, 3 phase, 4 phase, 5 phase, 6 phase, 7 phase, 8 phase, any phase, the synchronous speed is same. Speed will not increase with respect to number of phases, but the flux, the magnitude of the flux increases. Means the strength of the flux increases when you're increasing the number of phases, but the synchronous speed is still the synchronous, which is 120 F by P. Okay. Anyway, that's not asked. The question is asked for the magnitude. So for the 2 phase, it is 5m. For the 3 phase, it is 3 by 2 5m. So answer is A. I hope you learned something. Shall we go to the next one? Chalo fair. Next one on the screen. So we got 2 winners already. Hussein and Sai Ganesh. Yeah, right. I'll tell you how to claim your coupon, but you need to stay. If you miss, you're lost. Boom boom, boom boom, nahi bhai, bomb bomb. Okay. Next one in the chat. Ramp up the chat. Shake the chat. Break the chat. Win the discount coupon. Bang, time's up. Now it's my turn. The per phase induced EMF of an alternator, okay, has an expression. Okay, the per phase induced EMF is having, tell me again all of you, what is this? Which harmonic component is this? आप लोग तेलुगु क्यों बोलते हैं? अरे मेरा मदर टंग है भाई, तेलुगु क्यों बोलते मतलब? वो मेरा जान है, सो मेरा जान को छोड़ दो. That's a stupid question. I want everybody, this is which harmonic component? Simple question. And you got a simple answer to this. Great, but it should be filled. Fill faster. Okay, now it's stopping me. It is stopping me. So we shall move. Absolutely right. It is a third harmonic component. Okay, but see a beautiful point here. This is having cosine, this is having sine. Beautifully, you have to understand this question. This question is given in Andhra Pradesh State Distribution Company. Okay, so this is 10 sine omega t, and this is the waveform for 10 sine omega t. What's the maximum value of this? The maximum value of this is 10. The maximum value of this is 10. Okay, 2 cos 3 omega t plus 90 degrees. Now try to plot this. Cos means it should start from here. It should start from the peak, but it is said 90 degrees. 90 degrees plus 90 degrees. Plus 90 degrees means left side shift. So it should be shifted here. So its cos will start from here like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. And this is a third harmonic component. Third harmonic component means within one fundamental half cycle, because you said it is a third harmonic component. Am I right? You said it is a third harmonic component because it is 3 omega t. That's natural. Okay. So within one fundamental half cycles, you got a 3 small little lovely half cycles for third harmonic. And this is having a peak value of how much? 2. Now this peak and this fundamental peak, they are happening at the same time, which is at this instant of time. This peak is happening. So total peak is how much? 10 plus 2, 12. 12. Tell me now any questions from your end. What was your options? Your options mostly opted for A. 10 is a maximum. I don't know how come you said it's 10. It's not 10. It is 12. Now are you clear, guys? In the chat now. In the chat now. Are you guys clear? Yes or no? Yes, that's a good point. How can you confirm that both are at the same time? That's what, see this, I'll tell you first of all, in any other queries apart from this, are you guys clear? One question we got, how can we confirm? That's fine. Any other things? We'll address that. What is there? There is, what if there is no 90 degrees angle? We'll see that. That's a beautiful question. Okay. Anyways, others, any other questions? If it is clear, tell me it is clear. Otherwise, I'll only handle these two questions what we have. Any other questions? Yes or no? Any other questions? Any other questions? Clear? Others? Clear? Okay. Now I don't know why you're worried about whether it is third harmonic, whether we'll eliminate it or not. If it is a three-phase waveform, third harmonic component will not come in the line. Okay, in the line voltage, it will never come, even though it is present in the phase. It is, they're talking about a phase, per phase induced EMFs. The line, it won't come. Okay, now coming to one of the questions, they're saying, how come this is, both are happening at the same time? This is pretty simple. Tell me, forget about this. This peak is at 90 degrees. This peak is at 90 degrees, right? Now, what is the middle of this? For this waveform, middle part is this only. This peak is a middle, right? This peak is a middle of this. So this middle, both the middles are same. I'm not taking in terms of mathematics numbers. Numbers also if you take in terms of degree, this is 180 degrees for third harmonic. This is 180 degrees for third harmonic. Now if you divide that with 3, you will get a normal one which you will get 90 degrees. Okay, you can also put it that way. But just see with the common sense, this is half of it, this half is matching perfectly. Perfectly matching. Now, the question is very interesting question. What we got is, what if this is just a cos? What if this is just a cos? Just a cos, you will have maybe something like this. Okay. Now it's hard to say unless you take a calculator. Unless you take a calculator, it's hard to say because both the peaks are now not matching. Then you have to use the calculations, then only you can say it. Okay. So for MCQs, definitely you will not get these questions. Okay. That's what if there is no 0 degree shift, just adding these two, try to add these two and try to give the answer. Okay. This is a simple question. This is a simple question. When shall we apply root square formula? To find out the resultant RMS value here, to find out the resultant RMS value, then you'll have to use this method, Anvesh. Okay. So what is the frequency of the alternator which has two poles, 36 3600 revolutions per minute? Okay, so ns is equal to 3600, number of poles is equal to 2. So what's the frequency? F is equal to Pn by 120 is the formula. Okay, just plug it in the formula. 2 into 3600 by 120. This is gone. This is gone. So answer is 60. I think a simple question, but it is one of the previous questions in the Karnataka transport again, Karnataka transmission, I mean. So after this question, again we'll go for the winner. After this question, again we'll go for the winner. I think we've gone two are over, third one. We'll look for the third one. Third one winner. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Get ready. This is ISRO's question. ISRO question. Okay. Yeah. Two mechanically coupled alternators delivers power at 50 and 60 Hz respectively. See, whenever you see this, two machines are mechanically coupled, then you just have to see one thing. What is that one thing? Both are having same speed. Just lock that point in your head. Okay. So first machine is having ns1. If I take ns1 is equal to 120 into f1 by p1. Okay. Now ns2, the second machine, having a speed of 120 f2 by p2. Now it is said they are mechanically coupled, means these two are equal. These two speeds are equal. Now what is the highest speed of the alternator set? Means what is the highest possible speed? A simple concept. For the speed to be maximum, I want you to respond in the chat because you'll be qualified to the third winner. Okay, he will be qualified for the third winner if you just answer in the chat. Okay, what's that? You need to fill it up. The question is, just a minute. The question is what should be the condition if the speed to be the highest? If speed is highest, in what case speed will be maximum? In what case speed is maximum? Respond in the chat. What is the condition? There is a specific condition. Under that condition, speed will be maximum. What is that condition? Everybody to respond. Good. High responses will be qualified for the next round of wheel. Okay. High responses will be qualified. Ramp the chart up. I don't see any ramping. You won't be qualified for the wheel even. Forget about the winning. First of all, you need to qualify to stay in the wheel. Then you'll get a chance to win the wheel. Then you'll get a chance to get a 50% discount. Yes. Very good responses, but it is to top me. It has to top me. Great. Great. You're all amazing. Love you all. You're all amazing. Definitely, you can see this. For the speed to be maximum, poles to be minimum. Poles to be minimum. Minimum means you cannot have one pole. Minimum number of poles you can have is two poles. Now somebody is saying for the speed to be highest, load should be minimum. See, this is alternator. In case of alternator, it is always a synchronous speed because the alternator name itself is a synchronous generator. It always rotates at one speed, which is a synchronous speed. Okay. Now, I'll spin the wheel, but let me just answer it. So this is the ratio. Now it is said 120 get cancelled. So F1 by F2, F1 is, let's take it as 50. This F2 I'm taking here, which is 60, is equal to P1 by P2. Yes, this is it. So this ratio is 5 by 6 is the ratio. So P1 P2 ratio must be, when they're rotating at same speed because they're mechanically coupled and their frequencies are clearly given, so their poles must be in the ratio of 5:6. So the minimum possible number of poles for P1 is equal to 5. The first machine should have 5 poles. The P2 second machine should have 6 poles. But that's a ridiculous design. Why? It is odd number. Number of poles must be always even. Means if there is a north pole, there has to be a south pole. So 5, 6 is not a proper number according to our design. So what's the next minimum number? Into 2 into 2. Yes, this is a perfect figure. 10 by 12. And which is the lowest possible number of poles to satisfy this condition. So P1 is 10, P2 is 12. Okay. So for these number of poles, the set will operate at highest speed. Now what is that speed? What is that speed? Now plug the number here. This is 50, this is 10. Simply just put it here. 120 into 50 by 10. Okay, 10 number of poles. This is gone. So you will get here 600. 600 RPM is answer. Anything? Anything unclear? So what you guys have opted for? You guys have opted for B. Yes, you're right, absolutely. So, but there is a nice analysis behind this. Now, as I said, let's talk about the third winner now. Okay, third winner. I'm going for the wheel. Are you all ready? Yeah, this time you got nice, interesting participants. Bang, rolling the wheel. Let's see who is going to win this time. Oh, Raju, you just missed it. I think this is Vimal. Vimal, Vimal. Vimal is a winner. Vimal is a winner. Congrats, Vimal. Congrats, Vimal. Vimal is a winner. Okay, Vimal is a winner. I'll tell you how to climb it. You have to stay. If you leave, you will miss it. Okay, you have to stay. Vimal, to claim your 50% discount coupon. Okay, you have to stay in the live. Moving to the next question. Here you go. This is a distribution company's question. A simple one again. So 3 winners are over. Now you have to wait for 2 more winners. 2 more winners, that could be you. That could be you. And you got this question and 1 more question. That's it. 2 more questions and 2 more winners. Okay. Yeah, time's up. Time's up. Let's see what you answered. You answered C. Mostly people opted for C. Okay, let's see. A 10-pole 24 Hz alternator is directly coupled to and driven, coupled to and is driven by a 60 Hz synchronous motor. Okay, you have an alternator. Fine, that's good. This is alternator, which is having number of poles is equal to 10 and whose frequency is 25 Hz. Okay, and it is driven by a synchronous motor, it is said. Okay, it is driven by a synchronous motor. What is the number of poles of the motor? Number of poles is equal to how much? Okay, so 60 Hz synchronous. For this frequency is 60 Hz. That's what the question given. Now with this information you can find out NS value for this, because you know number of poles, you know frequency. I want everybody to respond in the chat. Again, you are getting a chance to bring some heat on your chat. What is the value of NS? You'll get a chance to next wheel. Next wheel, you'll get a chance. NS value is how much? I just want NS value. NS value. Tell the NS value. Get a chance to stay in the wheel. Get a chance to win the discount. Everyone. 120F by P. This is 24 Hz. This is 10. So, wow, it's 3000. So as everybody is saying 300, sorry, everybody is saying 300, I'm taking 300. Now this is 300. So which is equal to, this is equal to 120 into, this is 60 divided by this P. Okay, so simply you can even handle this equation also directly without finding out NS. You can even handle this also. Okay, without even solving this and all, you can directly handle this because these two speeds are same. So these poles are known to you. These poles and frequency is known to you. These poles are 10. This frequency is 25. This is 60. Now figure out the value of P. 120 get cancelled. And this goes 600 by 25. 600 by 25 is equal to P, which is 24, if I'm not wrong. And everybody answered it right. So answer is C for this. Okay. Now, as I said, let's go for the wheel now. Third winner is over, I think. Third winner. Okay. Now the fourth winner. Absolutely right. Just by taking this equation ratio also, in the previous case also we did the same. See, previous case and this case, as your friend is rightly saying, Sai Ganesh, blast for Sai Ganesh. See how nicely he has made an observation. He has made an observation from this itself. P1 by P2 is equal to F1 by F2 whenever two machines are coupled mechanically, two synchronous machines are coupled mechanically, then simply poles and frequencies are related like this. Okay, F1 by P1, so this goes that way, this goes this way, so F1 by F2 is equal to P1 by P2. This is what the observation he has made, and he has used the same observation here. If you put the same thing here, you'll get 24. Okay, That's lovely. That's lovely thing. Okay. Now, already Ganesh, that's why he won the 50% discount as well. Now, wheel, spin the wheel. Spin the wheel. Let's see who is going to be the winner this time. Oh, Anvesh has missed, and Satish, you are the winner. Satish Kumar is a winner. Stay connected. I'll take your details. So accordingly, we'll just share you the detail. I mean, I'll tell you how to claim your discount. Okay. So Satish Kumar, I'm taking a note of Satish Kumar as well. Satish Kumar. Okay. Now, Hussein, give me. I'm asking you, if you are now there live, then only you will get a chance to get a 50%. Tell me your last 4 digits of mobile number, Hussein. Hussein, tell me your last 4 digits of mobile number. Only Hussein and Vimal, both of you. If you respond in time, it's your chance. Otherwise, your chance will be passed to someone else. We'll pass it to someone else. Hussein and Vimal. Okay, I'm giving 1 minute time for you, both of you. If you respond within that 1 minute time, timer is running. You're allowed. You will get the 50% discount. Otherwise, it will be passed to somebody else who is online right now. Yeah. Anyways, meanwhile, I think this is clear. I'll wait for their responses. We'll now move to the next question. Next question. Yeah, I'll rotate the wheel again. Don't worry. Hussein has replied. I'm waiting for. Hussein has replied 1819. I'm waiting for Vimal. Vimal, if you're there, it's you the winner. Otherwise, your chance will be lost. Yeah, 1819. I mean, I got you, Hussein. Hussein, I got you. Lakshmi, you need to climb within 24 hours. Okay. Anyways, you just WhatsApp us. WhatsApp with your phone number, what you shared, the last 4 digits. You WhatsApp us. Saying that I'm the winner. Maybe taking a screenshot of the YouTube that winning icon. Yeah, you'll get that 30%. I think earlier it was 30%. Today it's 50%. Okay, I think Vimal is not there. Now it's time for Sai Ganesh. Are you there, Sai Ganesh? Sai Ganesh, share your number. Last 4 digits of the number. Mobile number. You need to contact from the same mobile number. Yeah. Your last 4 digits of the number. Sai Ganesh. 2848. Okay. Yeah, I'm spinning again because Vimal chance is not been climbed. So we are moving to the next person. You ready? Go. Who is that? Praveen. Praveen, are you there? Praveen, are you there? Praveen, are you there? In place of Vimal, it's Praveen now. If he responds, otherwise it will be passed to the next person. Just miss. Okay. Yeah. Praveen, are you there? You're not there. As you're not there, I'm not rolling again. I'm giving it to as just missed by Lokesh. As Praveen is not there, I'm giving it to Lokesh. I'm giving it to Lokesh because he just missed it. Lokesh, you're the winner in place of Vimal. Now tell me your 4 digits of last 4 digits. Last 4 digits, you give me your last 4 digits. I'm waiting. One more winner is there, of course. Okay, Satish and Satish also, you also give your last 4 digits of the mobile number. An 8-pole alternator runs at 750 RPM. This is a question given in ISRO once again. Okay, it is given in ISRO once again. 8-pole alternator runs at 750 RPM. It supplies power to 6-pole induction motor. You have an alternator, okay, whose poles are 8 and running at a speed of, we are rotating this at 750 RPM. And it is feeding an induction motor. It is feeding an induction motor. Okay, cool. And whose poles are 6. And full load slip is 4% means 0.04 is a slip. What is the full load speed of the motor? Okay, first of all, identify what is NS simply. NS for this. The frequency is not given. Figure out the frequency. What is the frequency? Tell me what's the frequency of this. What is the frequency of the alternator output in the chat? What is the frequency of the alternate output? 120 F by P, which is F is equal to Pn by 120. Yeah. 50 Hertz. Good. It is 50 Hertz. Yes. 4-pole 1500, then it will be 50 Hertz. 8-pole 750, it is 50 Hertz. Absolutely right. Now for 50 Hertz, what is NS? If the number of poles are 6, it is 1000 RPM. It is 1000 RPM. So 1000 RPM means definitely, most likely these two cannot be the answers. Either C or D should be the answer. Because for 4% of slip, it should be close to 1000. Okay, close to 1000 is these two. Exactly speaking, NS into 1 minus 0.04, where NS is 1000 into 0.96, so 960. Okay, you're not doing much of math, simply you're calculating it. 0.96 into 1000, which is 960 RPM. So answer is C. Okay, so Satish, last call for you. If you are there, respond. Otherwise, your prize will be passed to somebody else. This time I'll pass it to Anvesh. This time I'll pass it to Anvesh if Satish is not there. Satish is not there, I'll pass it to Anvesh. Your time's up, Satish Kumar. Anvesh, tell me your last 4 digits of the number, mobile number. We'll move to the last round. Before moving to the last round, let's bring the chat on. Let's bring the chat on. You need to fill this fast. You need to fill this faster. You need to fill this faster. If it is mechanically coupled, it should be 750. That's true, but it is not mechanically coupled. Induction motor and alternator, they're electrically connected. Induction motor needs electricity. This supply is connected to this. It is not said mechanically coupled. The supply is connected to this. Okay. It supplies a 6-pole machine. Supplies a 6-pole machine. Careful with that. So yeah, the last chance. Last winner, Anvesh, your last 4 digits, 0347. Okay. WhatsApp us with a screenshot. You need to respond. You need to WhatsApp us with a screenshot. Already, if you're taken, sorry dear, there is no such things. Only you want to buy only for 1 day. The coupon also will share you a coupon that is valid for only 1 day, 24 hours. If you want to claim, you can claim, otherwise you can pass on to your friends. Okay, Anvesh, I got your details. Now guys, for the last chance, ramp up the chat. Last winner will announce now in the chat. Chat. If you want to stay in the wheel, if you don't want to stay in the wheel, it's okay. Your chance, last chance is this. It should fill. These tiles should fill to the top. What's going on? Please tell me. We want to test your luck. If you're lucky enough, you'll get a 50% discount coupon. Your name is not there means you're not active in the chat. It should be active in the chat, not active. You should top the activeness in the chat. Then you will get a chance to stay in the wheel. When we spin the wheel, then you'll get a chance to win the wheel. Then you'll get a chance to claim the wheel. Claim 50% discount. Okay. This is what's happening here. See, 1 or 2 messages will not work. Others are messaging a lot faster, a lot higher, a lot in a much good pace. You are slowly responding, so your chances are gone. As simple as that. Yes, mechanical. Yeah, if you want to take PiSquare courses, just check the description. Go for it. Enjoy the sessions. Okay, guys. Now it's a time. It's a winner time. Let me spin the wheel. Are you guys ready? Last winner of this session to claim 50%. I'll tell you how to claim 50% discount. Chandu707. Are you there, Chandu? Chandu707 is a winner. Chandu707. If you are there, we'll stay with you. Otherwise, we'll pass on to the next guy. Are you there? Are you there? Last call. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He's not there. Moving on to the next spin. I'm spinning again for the next winner. I'll tell you, Dia, how to climb. I'll tell you how to climb to everyone in one shot. Naveen. Naveen is a winner. Are you there, Naveen? Naveen, are you there? Chandu707, you lost, man. You didn't respond in time, so it's not you. We passed on to the next guy. Naveen, already we went to the next guy. Why didn't you respond in time? If you don't respond in time, you're gone. Anyways, if Naveen is not there, you will get it back. If Naveen is there right now, if Naveen responds, you won't get it. Okay. So you won it, but you didn't respond. I mean, how ridiculous is that? Naveen also not there. So it's back to Chandu. Yes, Chandu. What's your 4 digits, last 4 digits of your mobile number? Chandu is there now. So we are back to Chandu. Yes. What's the 4-digit mobile number? Last 4 digits of the mobile number. 1214. Okay. 1214. Yeah. Now, how to claim it? From your number, whatever the number you share, from that mobile number, take a screenshot of the wheel in which place you won that. Okay. Share us on WhatsApp. WhatsApp link is given in the description. Share the screenshot on in the WhatsApp at this number. 9989939982 in 24 hours. In 24 hours only. Don't respond later, you won't get it. In 24 hours, you respond with a screenshot. You will immediately get a 50% flat 50% discount coupon for today's 5 winners. Okay, all the best. How to get PiSquare courses online? I'm leaving abroad. You're leaving abroad, you're leaving to Mars. Internet is there, online website is there, app is there. Download the app, check the description, you'll get the all details. Now it's open to your queries. Do you have any specific queries before I end the session? If you don't have any queries, we're happy to end the session over here. Do you guys have any questions? Any questions? No questions? Yesterday coupon also, I mean, we don't normally give more than 24 hours time, but for your case, we are giving. You respond Lakshmi on WhatsApp with a screenshot. So that's how you'll claim. Just wait for tomorrow. Exam date, complete details, complete syllabus, everything you'll get regarding TSGENCO. Just one more day. Sleep nicely, study well, prepare well, sleep nicely. You will get all details clearly tomorrow. Okay. Please explain about the course. I think you can check it out. There itself, in the course itself, everything is there. You'll get pretty much good idea. First, you just download the app, you'll get a clarity. Test papers are available in the app. Take the app, download the app. This detailed instruction for getting to know about the course. Could you please share us a link? Link is already pinned. It is already pinned in the chat. In the description, link is there. Simply download the app. Enjoy the courses at the best price with amazing 3D animations. You want to experience 3D animations, how the classes will be? Just wait for maybe 20 more seconds. You will see how nice are the classes. Have a good time. Bye-bye.